video tutorial, we will see how to print line triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, this is our hollow triangle pattern. In the first line, there are 5 stars separated with space character. In the second line, 2 stars separated with space characters. In the third line, 2 stars separated with 3 space characters. In the fourth line, 2 stars separated with single space character. In the fifth line, there is a single star. You can see here the number of spaces are decreasing line by line from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0, I is equal to 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5, 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For this type of pattern, we require if, elif and else condition. So let's print our first line if I is equal to 0, print star separated with space, then we require I times 5. Run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. We are able to print 5 stars. Now let's print the 2 stars separated with spaces as print space into I appended with star character and one more star character, and star characters are separated with this character. Here we are going to use 4 minus I into 2 minus 1 to get the number of spaces in between 2 stars. Run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. We can see here we are able to print this pattern, but in the last line, 5th line, we require only 1 star. So put one elif condition, elif I is equal to 5. It is I is equal to 4. It is 4th line, 5th line. This character into I value that is appended with star character. Let's print this the terminal, run pytriangle.py. You can see this is our required hollow triangle pattern or line triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.